to share about what is field groups and how to use them in Joomla 5. In this content menu, there is a menu for field groups, and I will share how to use this field group. There is another option for fields. So this field group is to group the field contents. So if I go to fields menu and if I create new fields, it will generate new input fields in article and category. There you can see there is an option for fields, and there are input box that I created in the field session. In the fields of article, I can also create for category. Now for the article, there I created username, user agenda, hobbies, these three input box. Now if I create new article, it generate a new menu for these fields, and if I click on this, there you can see these three input box in this field group, in this field. So field group is like this menu. It groups the input box in one menu. So this option is also a field group. This field is also a field group. So from this field group, we can collect our custom input box. Now if I create new fields in this field, it will add the input box under this fields. If I create new field group, it will generate a menu, field group menu, in these tabs. Let's create a new field group. We can create field group for article and category. Now it has selected as article. If I create a new, the title that we give will show as an title of this step, like these steps. As for this example, I will give the title as custom inputs, and I can give the description, and I can leave as it is also. Save and close. I create a new input field group, and I give the name as custom inputs. If I refresh the article, it will not show this custom inputs, because we have to create new fields when this custom input field group under this custom input field group. So go to fields tab and create a new field, and for the custom input field, I will also create username, and the username type is text. I can create other types also, but there is also username. I will create a new input box for address, and I will give the input type as I should give the text area. Now for the address input field. The type is text area, and I can give the label. I can give a require as yes, and there are other options we can customize. Let's save this. Save and close. If I refresh the article, it will add a new input box address under this fields, but it is not creating under this field group because we have not chosen the input group when we create new field. Here for the address field, for this address field I give the title and type, but I have not selected the field group, so by default it has selected as field group none. If the field group is none, it will add the input box in this fields tab. So we have to choose the field group, and there it shows the field group that I created, custom inputs. As I will select this custom input and save and close. Now if I refresh the article creation page, there it removes the address from this field and it has a new field, custom inputs, and there the address input box is showing under this custom inputs. So if I change this username as field group custom inputs, it will add that input box under this custom inputs. Yeah, the username removed from this field and it reached to the custom inputs. If we create new fields and not selecting the field group, it will add that field input fields under this field tab. If we select field group, it will add that in this custom field group. This is for article. So if we want to create our custom inputs, and if we want to color them in a tab, we can create field groups and create new fields by selecting that field group name. This is for article. And if I create a new field group and if I select this new field group, when I create fields, it will generate a new tabs in this tab. This is for article. Now I will choose category. The format of creating and working is the same as article. I will close this article and open categories. For this field group categories, if I go to this fields, and this is in the input box for article, if I choose category, there I created input box. Yeah, I created category field testing. If I create new category, for the fields category, there is category field testing, and when I create categories, new category, it will add that and add this fields category field testing. Now if I create a new field group and select that field group in creating categories, it will generate a new tab. In this field group, I will create a new field group, and as for example, I will give custom category inputs. Save this. Now new field group is created. Now go to content fields and select category. Now for this category field testing is selected as field group none. So if I create new article, new category, it will add and add this fields tab. If I change the field group to custom category inputs and save and close, now if I refresh the category creation page, it will add and add this custom category inputs, the category field testing. This input box reach to this custom category inputs tab. So whenever we create new category, a new input box for category, if we choose our custom field group, it will add that input box in this custom field group. Like this, the field group is for collecting the same content or the same topic and a group. We have to create this field group. So field group is a group of collecting the input box under the same category. We can add our custom inputs and create a new tab by field group. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much for your attention.